Yo, what's going on, my friend? NT Izuchi here, your internet marketing coach and mentor, and welcome back to the classroom. Now, internet marketers out there, you ever wonder how, you get some of these emails from some of these marketers that you might be following, you might be on someone's email list, and at some point in the email message, it looks like a video screen, right? It's just pretty much an image with the play button on it, right? And you're always wondering, well, how can I get that on some of my videos? Because one, that helps a huge amount with email click-throughs, right? You're sending emails out to people, and then at the bottom or somewhere in that email message, right, they have this little box. It might be an image, and it looks like a play button, right? It kind of urges someone to click play and watch the video, right? Well, for some time, actually, I had the same issue, and I was always wondering different ways I can go about doing it, and typically I don't like spending my time searching for different tools and things like that. So I stumbled across one using Picmonkey. Now Picmonkey is a free website. They have a premium version, but you don't even need to have that. Okay, I use a free version, and basically I use this to put little play buttons on top of my images, so that when they click it, they bring them to my blog post where there's a video inside of this. So you can use this if you're sending your email list to a Facebook video, to a YouTube video, Vimeo video, anywhere that there is a video, because having that image in there really, I think, helps with click-throughs and conversions. Okay, so let me show you a quick example of what I'm talking about. I sent out an email the other day, and I'm going to disappear for just a second here. Okay, so this is an email I sent out the other day, and this is pretty much what it looks like, right? So I have my email header here. I sent a demo email to myself, okay, just a test email to make sure it works. And this is what it looks like, right? So I have my short email body here, and then I have basically a screenshot, okay, of the video that I did that day, and I put this little play button on top of it, and this got a ton of click-throughs. Okay, so let me show you how you quickly do it, right? So if I go back over to Picmonkey, so that's you can see the URL just up here, picmonkey.com. Come here to where it says edit, right? And you scroll down here to where it says computer. So I actually obviously have my image saved on the computer. So if I hit computer, so it's going to bring this up. And so I'm going to go to my desktop, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and choose savings thumbnail. I think this is what it was. Okay, so this is just a silly image of me that I'm going to use in one of my emails, all right? So don't mind the pic, but just, get the value from this, right? So what you do is really, really simple, right? All you do is you literally come over to right here, this little button right here, and of course you can use some of these features here if you want to brighten it, if you want to put colors on it, if you want to rotate the photo. You can go through here and use the different images, but you're going to get to a point where you can't use some of the premium options here. Okay, so what you do is you come here to where it's this butterfly right here, and those are basically overlays. You click that, and you come here to where it says geometric, so you go ahead and click geometric. Okay, and now you can start putting on different shapes. So the first thing I do is I usually do either a square like this or a rounded one. You can do whichever one you want. So for now, let's just go with this one right here. Okay. So what happens, it now comes on your screen. So as you can see here, okay, you can put this in the middle of your screen wherever. Okay, and you can drag and adjust it, things like that. But as you can see, it's pretty dark, and I kind of want to have somewhat of a fade in it, right? So you can see through the image. So all you got to do is literally come over here and drag it over. And as you can see more of my actual face, right? So let's say I leave it here, okay? And then what you can do next is go ahead and click this triangle option right here, and that comes up, right? And so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and change that color to whatever color you want. Typically, I like to choose red because it's just a color of action, and it's just, I don't guess it's like the universal color for a play button, right? So you can click any color you want here, but I like to use this blood red right here. And then what you do is you literally just rotate it. Actually, you can do it while it's inside of here. Okay, so it's symmetric. Okay, so then you can pretty much drag and just drop it in here. Okay, and then you would literally have it just like that. And of course you can come back here and adjust the fade if you want, if you want it a little bit darker, whatever have you. But boom, there you have this this play button. So all you do from here is you literally hit save. Okay, and you hit save to computer. Okay, you can save it back to desktop. You can save it wherever you want on your computer. Okay, wherever you want on your computer. So then now, if I go back to my Finder here, and I go to desktop, and I go to savings. I think it was, is this the new one? Yep, there it is. Okay, so basically that's my image. Okay, if I wanted to use this image right here for some type of email, or if I want to share it to something, kind of signifying that there's a video in there, okay, this is a quick way that you can do that for free. And it's, some time for some time I mean, I was trying to figure this out, but I didn't really want to spend the time to do it. Okay, so that's just a quick tip. I'm gonna appear back here. Okay, oops, the image is actually popping back up. All right, so that's the bigger, clearer image right there. It's a quick, easy way to put a play button on top of image, and put that in an email or something like that to really signify that there's an image that is there. Okay, so I'm going to come back to actually, I'm going to come back on the screen. Anyway, so I hope that you got some value from this. Okay, obviously, if you already are using something that do this, that's completely fine. Just want to quickly give you guys this quick fix if this is a problem that you're running into. Okay, but of course, this is just one part of your marketing, right, to better convert emails. Okay, that's just one part. It's actually one part of your entire marketing mix. Okay, one of the things that actually helped me to really start producing real results in my business, okay, it didn't just come back down to this one thing. It really came down to a daily action plan, period. A daily action plan that you can carry forth every single day in your business. So particularly if you're new and you're just getting started out, a daily action plan is going to be so important for you. I really can't even stress it enough. Okay, so if you don't have a daily action plan, something that you can start carrying forth every single day to start seeing results, right? Because a lot of internet marketers, they have this idea of a $20,000 per month income, which is very, very attainable. I've seen people do it right in front of my eyes, right? But you don't get some big whopping check at the end of the month. What happens is small victories, right? So throughout the month, you're making commissions that amount to this $10,000 per month income that you've had. Okay, and once I did that, once I got that daily action plan, that idea of a daily action plan nailed down, I started seeing multiple $1,000 days in my business, multiple $1,000 months in my business. Okay, so I highly advise you get a daily action plan. If you don't have one, perhaps you want to use the one that I'm using right now currently in my business to have the results that I'm having, so you can have those in your business and whatever business you plan on joining. Head over to actionplan.withnt.com. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through that 4-step daily action plan. But there's no point in me just giving you a document. I also have a video, right, that walks you through each and every last one of those steps, right? Tells you what those steps are, why they're important, but more importantly, why they work, okay? Why they are producing results that I'm seeing in my business, okay? So again, if you don't have a daily action plan, I highly advise that you get one. Again, if you don't have one, head over to actionplan.withnt.com. And in that video, I'm going to walk you through that daily action plan. Hopefully, you can see some of those results in your business. Anyway, I hope that you got some value from this, and I'll see you in just a bit, my friend. Ciao for now.